lot of students get really excited to find something crazy, right? Like they want to see a snake or they want to see a bear. And we do see some really cool things during our BioBlitz, but what's most exciting is really understanding how many species are right under our feet that we don't even notice.
During BioBlitz, the coolest thing I discovered was sheep sorrel, an invasive species that was edible.
If we look at our iNaturalist account, we have a project called TMSA BioBlitz 2025, which any of you can go and look at. And this year, we had 450 observations, and that resulted in 223 species that were found on campus. And you can look through and actually see the pictures that everyone took and the names of those species, some of which we were able to identify, but also the great thing about iNaturalist is it has a whole community of scientists and amateurs that all help to confirm identifications if they have kind of like a specialty. And so people from all over the world have actually been helping us identify our species on campus, making this truly a big collaborative project.
During BioBlitz, we saw many really cool things, but before we went to the nature trail, we saw a pretty large rat snake outside, and I found that pretty fascinating.
This experience taught me that there was a wide variety of species on campus, and species apply not just to animals and plants, but to a wide variety of different types of organisms.